The Northwest Lady Mustangs overcame a sluggish start and rolled past the Otterville Lady Eagles 50-21 in opening round play of the Northwest Invitational Basketball Tournament on Monday night. Northwest, 3-1, got 17 points from Mariah Whisker and blew open a close game with 15 points in the second quarter and 20 points in the third.
It helped when you turned up the full court pressure that second and third quarter. Kind of get a little quicker pace to the game.
Yes, absolutely. And the girls know, I mean, we've got to make a bucket to get into our press defense. You know, I mean, we've got to make free throws, we've got to make layups. Otherwise, like I told them, we're not a very good team if we have to sit and make 7 or 8 passes to shoot a basket. I mean, we've got to get layups, we've got to get turnovers and go. So, luckily, like I said, you know, we picked it up second and third quarter, though.
And Mariah shot the ball pretty well in that second half. Once she got some flow, it seemed like she was kind of stationary in the first half.
Yeah, she is. She's kind of a, you know, she can be a streaky shooter. Now, when she gets hot, she gets real hot. And tonight was one of those nights I wish I could have kept her in a little bit longer to get her, you know, going a little bit more. But yeah, Mariah's our scorer. I mean, we can look to her to score a lot of points. So, yeah, she did pretty good tonight.
Kind of nice to get all your kids in for significant minutes, too.
Absolutely. All 11 girls, or all 18 girls, worked so hard in practice. So it's very nice to get them some, you know, reward for playing time. A lot of them scored tonight. You know, we played great defense with that, you know, second string in. So it was good. It was good to see them play like that.
This is Jeff Bakke reporting for the Sedalia Democrat.